really don't have time.
I don't have time.
I don't have time.
I need dough. I can't control this feeling I got. Oh, I won't stop till I reach a million, billion, trillion. No, I need dough.
Welcome, this video has been prepared especially for you, so be sure to watch it until the end, and afterwards, click the click here for more button to get instant access to our once-in-a-lifetime Freedom Cashflow launch. There is no opt-in form. We want everyone that comes to this page to have a fair chance at knowing what you have access to. If you pass on it, a capture page will not stop your success here. So let's dive into the good news. There are 3 things happening here. Number 1, we are helping new members join and grow an awesome program you are about to find out that has been life-changing. You wouldn't believe a $10 program can do this, but it already has, and we are doing it even better. We are giving you the opportunity to come in with us in a VIP position with this company. Check out our beginner package to lock in this offer on the next screen. That is step number 1. Step number 2, we have cracked the code to automation, duplication, unstoppable cash flow, instantly and daily, and we train you to be a professional ultimate sharer. I'll say it again. We have taken care of all the hard stuff. You follow our blueprint. Share like a boss with our no rejection system and watch your cash app go off daily. We also have a special going on, so you are at the right place at the right time. Check out our super affiliate option for more info on this offer on the next screen. Step number 3. Unlike a job, you can have multiple digital assets. A digital asset is a stream of income. One digital asset could replace your job's income. One could not have 10 jobs because time will not allow you to work 10 jobs. One could have 10 digital assets and earn on all 10 of them. You now would have 10 income streams doing the same amount of work with the same amount of effort. We work smarter, not harder over here. We offer 5 additional add-on income streams along with a few passive income streams with random tools we use that actually help you make more money. These are exciting times, and this is March Money Madness. We are on a timeline that starts March 11, 2024. If you want to move with us and participate in receiving weekly paychecks, instant cash apps, and having a support team handle all the stuff you don't know how to do, don't have time to do, or want to earn while you learn, your time is now. We will train you to succeed. The clock has already started. You have seen our timeline and additional add-on income streams for May. What you have not seen is how we are going to put you in position to change your life. It's time for us to show you how. Click the link below. Are you coming?